Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Korean ice chef as known as bingsu. Have you guys ever tried bingsu before? It's so delicious and refreshing. But the problem is it's so hard to find this dessert here and the machine is so expensive. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make it without machine. This dessert is so light and delicious and easy to make. You guys can make your own dessert at your home too. So let's get into the recipe. First, I'm going to cutting mangoes so I can use these mangoes as a topping. You guys can also use your own topping. Next, we need fresh milk. Before that, you need to freeze your milk in freezer so you can shave the milk. Now this is where the magic happens. Get yourself a grater and start grating. Be careful. Once you are done with shave your eyes, the eyes should look a little something like this. It's like soft and fluffy ice shave. Now transferring the shaved ice into perfect glass. The best part of this is that you can put whatever topping you like. I load up with lots of mangoes. It's optional, but you can also add some of cheese on top of your little parfait, and you can also add some of chocolate powder. And to decorate your parfait, you can add whatever topping you like. In this video, I use Oreo as a topping, but you can add whatever topping you like. And then your bingsu is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.